Meet Barbara O'Neill is a well-known health educator, author, and speaker who focuses on natural health and wellness. She emphasized the importance of nutrition, lifestyle choices, and natural remedies in promoting overall health. O'Neill has gained a following for her insight into holistic health practices, including the use of natural salts like Celtic sea salt. This video explores her thoughts on Celtic sea salt, highlighting its health benefits, nutritional value, hydration effects, practical uses, and how it compares to other salts. The goal of the video is to highlight the significant ways Celtic sea salt can enhance overall health and wellness. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. What is Celtic sea salt? Celtic sea salt is a type of unrefined sea salt harvested from the coastal region of France, particularly the Brittany region. It is known for its grayish color and moist texture, which distinguishes it from more common table salts. Celtic sea salt is often praised for its mineral content and natural harvesting methods, which preserve its beneficial properties. Nutritional profile. Mineral content. One of the key reasons Barbara O'Neill advocates for Celtic sea salt is its impressive mineral profile. It is said to contain up to 82 trace minerals, including magnesium, essential for numerous bodily functions, including muscles and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Calcium, important for bone health and muscle function. Potassium, vital for heart health and maintaining proper fluid balance. Sodium, while often associated with negative health effects, sodium is necessary for fluid balance and nerve function when consumed in moderation. Hydration benefits. O'Neill emphasized that the mineral content of Celtic sea salt can enhance hydration. She suggests that the presence of magnesium helps the body absorb water more effectively at the cellular level. This is particularly important for maintaining optimal hydration, especially in hot weather or during physical activity. Practical applications. How to use Celtic sea salt. Barbara O'Neill recommends a simple yet effective method for incorporating Celtic sea salt into your daily routine. Crystal on the tongue. Place a small crystal of Celtic sea salt on your tongue before drinking water. This allows the salt to dissolve slowly, releasing minerals that can aid in hydration. Daily intake. O'Neill suggests that this practice can help replenish the mineral slots through daily activities, sweat, and bodily function. Cooking and seasoning. Celtic sea salt can also be used in cooking and as a seasoning for various dishes, providing flavor while contributing to mineral intake. Comparison to other salts. O'Neill often contrasts Celtic sea salt with more refined salts such as table salt or even Himalayan pink salt. She points out that refined table salt, often stripped of minerals and treated with anti-caking agents, which can diminish its health benefits. Himalayan pink salt, while it contains minerals, O'Neill believes that Celtic sea salt has a more balanced profile and better moisture retention, making it superior for hydration. Health benefits. Mineral replacement. O'Neill asserts that daily activities, stress, and environmental factors can lead to mineral depletion in the body. By incorporating Celtic sea salt into the diet, individuals can help replace lost minerals, supporting overall health and wellness. Potential health effects. While individual responses to salt can vary, some potential benefits of using Celtic sea salt as advocated by O'Neill include improved hydration, enhanced absorption of water at the cellular level, balanced electrolytes, support for maintaining proper electrolyte balance, crucial for muscles function and overall health. Enhance flavor, adding a unique taste to foods without the negative effect associated with refined salt. In conclusion, Barbara O'Neill's endorsement of Celtic sea salt highlights its potential health benefits, particularly in terms of hydration and mineral content. By using Celtic sea salt in daily practices, individuals may support their overall health while enjoying the unique flavors it offers. As with any dietary change, it's essential to consider personal health condition and consult with a healthcare professional if needed.